Okay. I read the book of Isaiah, chapter 49. Sorry, I had flu. Chapter 40, verse 31. It says here from verse 30. Now listen very carefully. We read as follows. Yeah, it says, even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young man shall utterly fall. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and shall not faint. So I would like to talk on the subject of an eagle. It's an old message that I used to preach. Lalela, why did I pick up that message of an eagle? Remember that God is a God that dwells in nature. God stays in nature. God lives in nature. But now listen very carefully what God does. Now, I'm going to mention 3 different birds. We have a bird that can run, but this bird cannot fly at all. What is that bird? It's an ostrich, thank you. And we have another bird. We have another bird. This bird, it can swim, but it cannot fly as well. What is it? It's a penguin, Okay. Number 3, now listen, number 3, we have another bird, and this bird is called the majestic king of the sky. This bird is called the forward ever and the backward never. This bird, it does not retreat, not surrender, but this bird, it dies in the battle. This bird, it dies with boots on. This bird is a soldier from nature. This bird, it does not compromise. What is that bird? It's an eagle. Let me keep the Lord ahead of faith. Listen now, I've got only 8 minutes. Now listen what happens. Can I tell you a secret? Let me tell you what burns the ability of an eagle. Let me tell you what makes the eagle to be strong. I tell you, are you aware? Are you not conscientized to the fact that if there's no storm, an eagle gets frustrated? If there's no storm, an eagle gets angry. If there's no storm, an eagle cannot feel itself. If there's no storm, an eagle wonder, where is the storm? Where is the storm? You know why? Because of the destiny of the eagle is determined by the storm. If there's no storm, it wants some challenge. I mean, I'm now. Ngabanezinkinga sijaphasi. Amen. Amen. You know what it means? Gold goes through the fire in order to be refined. It must be the percentage of the fire that must be strong, that must purify the gold. The same storm that comes the way of the eagle is the same storm that uplifts the eagle on top of its problem. A storm is dangerous. It's got bottles, it's got thorns, it's got objects that are dangerous. But an eagle says, I'm a forward ever, and I'm a backward never. It will get in the midst of the storm, and that storm will uplift it, and the eagle will open up its wings. Lalela, now nezinkinga, ungazibalekeli, zifeyise, ngoba na uzifeyisa, uzozibona sophezu kwazo. Mara na ujaphasi, uzozithola zimultiplyile. Amakhawani abalekayo, kodwa isotsha lifele empini, liyayimela into ekhona kusho. Listen again. Sorry, I had flu. My chest is not well. Listen, let me mention this again before I pray. You know what an eagle does? When it's about to give birth, listen very carefully. When an eagle is about to give birth, I gijime eklinikite, sister pregnant, ngicela ukhipha isusu ngapothe manje. No. Let me tell you what an eagle does. An eagle, when it feels that the eaglets are on the way, it goes into the bush. After going to the bush, it will take thorns and briars, and it will build a nest. When it built the nest with thorns, it looks for a hare, a rabbit, or a sheep, and will take the fur inside the sheep and put it. Take the fur from the sheep and put it in the nest. When the children of Antuana, they eat wire, and the Bessamaya, and the Namanona, they get pressure. When the pressure becomes heavy and the fur goes down, Mama will land. That's why the American will say the eagle has landed. Nagalenda, no mama, she will take up the nest. That's right. When she take the nest, she will stir the nest. She will stir the nest. There comes a time where God will take you and stir you and shake the jealousy out of you, and shake the hatred out of you, and shake the witchcraft out of you. What is the doing? He's preparing you.
Jesus.
He's preparing you. Last statement. I will pray now. I will pray. Last statement. Watch now. Watch. When that eagle now has taken the nest, I want you to put note now. When the eagle has taken the nest and everything has been put aside, you know what the eagle does? She will take those little ones. And that eagle will mount with them. Eagles don't fly, they mount. A chicken fly, a duck can fly, the other birds can fly, but an eagle mount. It will hit its wings once and twice, and there it will go. That eagle will take the children of the eaglets and will put them in the midst of the air, and they will cry and say, Mama, what are you doing, Mama? Are you killing us, Mama? No, Mama is not killing them, and Mama will leave them in the air. They cannot mount. They are still young, but Mama will leave them, and Mama will circle around and watch them. Watch what will Mama do. Watch what will Mama do. When Mama leaves them, and they scream, oh my, she's got confidence in those great wings, because one wing typed the Old Testament, and the other wing typed the New Testament. And Mama leaves them. Before they hit the ground, Mama said to them, I will never leave you, nor forsake you, but I shall be with you until the end. Before they hit the ground, Mama opened up the wings, and Mama picked them up, and Mama stopped, and Mama picked them up, I was with the principal. I met him. Where did we meet, sir, again?
At your hotel.
At your hotel, I was there. And we had a conversation. And I was preaching there. He didn't know me, but I asked him to come, and he remembered. So he asked me to come.